Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to watch another YouTuber by the name of Chris Thompson. He's going to do a phone swap. Let's get right into it. Check it out. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
Who am I here with today?
Keandre.
Afton.
How y'all doing today?
Good. It's hot.
How long have y'all been together?
2 years.
Do y'all trust each other 100%?
Yeah.
May we test the theory?
Shit, sure.
Swap phones.
Everybody, trust.
Huh?
I mean, we already go through this all the time. I mean, I can, I guess.
Alright, let's get it. Let's swap. Let's go through Snapchat. Let's back up so we get in the shade. I know you're gonna get hot, man. You deleted something?
You gotta give me your phone.
Yeah.
Yes.
She deleted something.
Go through. Snapchat's on there. I was just on it. I literally just texted Taylor. Oh, you have to download it back again.
Oh, you deleted
No, it was just on there. No, like for real. You just saw me on it. Deadass. Did you not?
What'd you delete?
I didn't delete anything. I unlocked my phone.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
I don't even want to do this now. I feel like they're tripping. Now I'm tripping. We came to a car meet, bro.
Yeah, she's scared.
No.
She's scared.
I'm going to the car.
Gone.
Oh my God.
She know why she live. She know why she live. It must be Christmas because I smell a ho.
Nah, she just tripping. It's all good.
Beta.
You feel like she cheating on you?
It's the denial that's going to hold you back the most.
What's your advice to all the unhealthy relationships?
Trust them. If you find some shit out, don't waste your time going back to them.
Most definitely. Anything else?
All right, so it's obvious that guy's a fool. So there isn't any need for commentary in this. You can leave a comment down below. Hit that notification button. Hit that like button. Subscribe.